Everyone take the heading nested if. Nested if. Quickly write nested if. In the notes also I have given if within the if is the nested if. Okay, this is only the definition. If within the if is known as nested if. For example, write a program to check to display greatest number among three given numbers. Okay, so in this user has to input three numbers, right? That program we have made earlier also by using the AND operator in the if else if. Okay, but how to make in the nested if in the exam they are asking that write this program by using the nested if, then only you should use this nested if, otherwise write this program by using the ladder if only. Then public static void main. Now see, when a number will be greater, if I am talking about the number 1, A, when this A is going to be greatest, when it is be greater than the B and then the C. Okay, both the conditions. So earlier how we were made this condition, we have made A greater than B and A greater than C. If I'm making this program by using the if, so if this condition is going to be true, then only this condition is going to be checked now. So how I'm going to make? If A greater than B, if this condition is true, then I'm forming the block of if this is. Okay, then only I'm going to check if A greater than C. Okay, see that. This is the closing of nested if, close. Okay, and this is the closing of outer if, close. This nesting if, this inner if, okay, inner if is going to be executed when this outer loop is going to be true. Okay, see where I have placed this if block in the body of this outer if. This inner if is placed in the body of the outer if. When the outer if is going to be true, then only this inner if is going to be checked. Otherwise, it will not going to be checked. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so if A is greater means now A is greater than the B, then only it get enter into the second if in the inner if. So here A is greater than C. It means what? A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So we should reply, we should display system.out.println the greatest number is you can write A or the number, it's up to you. A. Okay, so here I'm writing the number, so it's going to be display this. Okay, now second part of this if this if is not going to be true, then means if the A is not greater than B, it means what? B is greater, means B is greater. Now here forming the else means if this given condition, this outer if is not going to be true, this is your inner if. Okay, and this is your outer if. This is outer if. Okay, if outer if true, then only execution go into the inner loop, otherwise it will come to the else part. and it's already proved that if A is not greater than B, it means B is greater than A. So now means we have checked the B with the A. Okay, now it's turn to check the B with the C. So in the else body, we are going to check if B greater than C, right? Now this B is already greater than A. Okay, and now this B is greater than the C also. It means greatest number is B. Write it. Okay, so greatest number is B. Okay, now this is the if clause. Clause of if, and this is clause of else. No, we can do one thing also. When we are going to display the C is greatest or what? See, if the A is greater than B, then this condition is going to be checked with the C. Okay. Now, if B is greater than C, then only B will be greatest. Otherwise, in this else I can write. In fact, I can form the else here also. Okay, see what I will do. Else, it means B is not greater than C. If this condition, this second if is going to be false, it means this B is not greater than the C, but B is greater than the A. It means C is automatically greater than the A and the B. So in the else, what the statement I can write? Wait. The greatest number is C. Okay. So in this else part, this is the inner else clause. Okay. And this is outer else clause. Write this comment also. Okay. Now here also we can write. See that if A greater than B means if this is the condition true, then we are going to check A greater than C. But what happened? A is greater than B. But if A is not greater than the C, then again here you can write else. In this part also C can be true. So in this else also you can write C is greatest. How C will be greater? Means A greater than B is condition true, but A is not greater than the C. But A is greater than the B. It means C is greatest. So this is the else clause. Okay, so this program we can make by using the nested if like that. Means if within the if, sometime there is not any requirement to make the else in the if, but this example is showing you all the if and else in the nested form. It is little bit difficult to make the program by using the if else if. That's why we are avoiding it, because it's also increasing the complexity in the compiler. But if it is given in the question, then we have to make. Otherwise, we will do it by using the nesting, by using the ladder if only. Suppose this is 12, 10, and 20. So it should display 20. See the 20. Okay. Then here I'm making the changes. 20, 10. See now in the A I'm giving the 20. Okay. Earlier I have given in the C. Then again it should display 20. Now I'm going to give 20 in the B. So again it should display. Means any combination I will do, it should display greatest number only. Whether it is in A, whether it is in B, whether it is in C. See that. Okay. Means what I did, listen. First of all, I have taken 3 input number. अभी मैंने यहाँ पे चेक कराया है A B से greater है. If A B से greater है, it means we can check this A with the C. अगर वो C से भी ग्रेटेस्ट है, इट मीन्स वही सबसे बड़ा है ना, B से भी बड़ा है और C से भी बड़ा है, इट मीन्स A इज द ग्रेटेस्ट। अदरवाइज अगर वो सिर्फ B से ही बड़ा है मगर C से छोटा है, it means C is the greatest number. So here in the else we are writing C is greatest. Okay, if this first if is going to be false, means A is not greater than B, it means उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, B बड़ा है A से। ओके, तो B A से बड़ा हो गया, तो फिर हमें B को C से चेक कराना है, सिर्फ B को C से चेक कराया, तो अगर B is greater than C तो it means B is greatest, और अदरवाइज B C से स्मॉलर हुआ तो C is greatest. Okay, then the variable table you are going to make. In this, see how many variable I have taken, only 3 variable, no? So how I can write the variable table? Look at here, variable table, serial number, variable name, okay, data type, then description. इनफैक्ट समटाइम यू नो इट्स हैपन कि अरे हमें को नहीं समझ आया तो अभी क्या करें, तो एक के साथ A, B, C लाइक इट। ओके, बिकॉज सभी का डेटा टाइप इंटीजर है, इंट, एंड सेम डिस्क्रिप्शन टू एक्सेप्ट द नंबर फ्रॉम यूजर, बट दिस इज द शॉर्टकट मेथड। When time is not there ना, then only you should apply it. Because क्यों मैंने अप्लाई किया ये वेरिएबल टेबल एक ही में, बिकॉज A और B, C तीनों का इंटीजर डेटा टाइप है और तीनों ही मुझे वेरिएबल यूजर से इनपुट करने के लिए यूज आ रहा है ना, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन राइट लाइक दैट, बट ईच एंड एवरी प्रोग्राम मस्ट हैव द वेरिएबल टेबल।